Hello students and welcome back to my channel. We are discussing questions which were asked on the 1st of February 2023 JEE mains. So in continuation with the other videos you can check. We are into question 26. A steel wire with mass per unit length this much is under tension this much. Speed of transverse wave. It's very simple question for the students. Speed of a transverse wave is given by this. Suppose you have a string which is under tension. So being under tension, there will be this tension and you can waves can be set up. You can see mu is the mass per unit length. So tension is given as 70 newtons. So I place 70 here. Mass per unit length is 7 into 10 to the power minus 3. Remember students, we are substituting all the values in SI unit. So we can expect the answer in SI unit. So 177 gets cancelled. You have 10 power minus 3 goes out, becomes 10 power plus 3. So root of 10 power 4 is 10 power 4, that is 100 meters per second is the answer. Then coming to question 27, choose the correct length versus square of the time period graph for simple pattern executing SHM. See here. Now student, this is even though very simple question, many students feel confused. They don't know how to identify which graph is the correct graph. So I'll tell you a simple rule, students. Try to understand, try to remember this. A very simple rule I'll be telling you. Okay. Then the first step will be to establish a relation between the two quantities, okay, between which the graph has been plotted. As you can see, the graph is plotted between t square and l. So let us establish a relation. Most probably we all know this formula. Period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is this. So if you square both sides, we can have t square equal to 4 pi square by g square into L. Okay. This is the relationship between the quantity t square and L, which have been plotted along x and y axis, you can see, y and x axis respectively. Then the second step is, since t square has been taken along y axis, replace t square with y. Remember, not t square, because t square is plotted along y axis. Similarly, L is plotted along x-axis, replace L by x. And if other things are constants, okay, write some constant here. Now from your knowledge of coordinate geometry, we all know that this is an equation of a straight line passing to the origin. And also, if slope, that is m, is positive, it should be inclined to the x-axis by some acute angle. So this is the correct option. Equation of a line passing to the origin and inclined to the x-axis. This is a simple rule. Then coming to question 28, the amplitude of a particle executing SHM is 3 cm. Its displacement from the mean position at which its kinetic energy will be 25% more than the potential energy. Now, very simple question, students. Just in order to have a rough idea, we can draw the diagram. So this is the mean position. Let us say this amplitude. Amplitude is given as 3 cm. You can see. Okay, later we'll substitute. Don't worry. This is the mean position. Now we have to find its displacement. Let us say at that distance the particle B is here. So we have to find x here. X. When its kinetic energy is 25% more than the potential energy. So we have been given that kinetic energy is 25% more, means 100 plus 125% of the potential energy. Remember students, the original value is always 100%. Now if it is 25% more, you have to add 25 to 100. So you have 125%. So 125% is basically 125 by 100, which is actually 5 by 4 times of U. Okay, we have to find x. Now we can express k and u in terms of x. If you don't remember the formula for k, you can write k as total energy minus potential energy. Kinetic energy is always equal to total energy minus potential energy. Now we all know, here I write it here, the total energy is half Ka square, where k is the force constant of the SHM. Force constant is m omega square. We all know this. Whereas potential energy corresponding to the position x, that is displacement x, is half kx square. Okay. So that is what we are going to write here. So here we have k by 2 into a square minus x square is equal to 5 by 4 into kx square. So we can cancel k by 2 throughout. So we have 9 by 4x square is equal to a square. Therefore x is equal to 2a by 3. So putting a equal to 3, we have 2c. So 2cl is the answer. Okay. So that's all students in this video. Thank you so much for watching my channel.